They will call you or text you instantly in 2 minutes or less. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And thank you for joining me today. Prepare to receive a text or a phone call from your specific person in 2 minutes or less. Listen to these special affirmations and be prepared to receive the text or phone call you've been waiting for. Relax your body. Allow your body to completely relax. Make certain you're in a safe space, that you won't be disturbed for a few moments. And just unwind. Allow your muscles to soften. Allow yourself to feel comfortable, secure, and relaxed as you go into a deeper state of consciousness. Remember never to drive or use heavy equipment. Always focus on safety, comfort, and relaxation. And take that deep breath in. Hold it, and let it out slowly, slowly, slowly. You're feeling very calm, and relaxed. And every muscle and fiber of your body is letting go. After listening to this special audio, within a minute or two, your specific person will be texting you or calling you. And again, don't think about it. Don't focus on the outcome. Just know that you already have what you desire. My specific person is drawn to me and wants to communicate with me. Our connection is strong, and they can't resist reaching out to me. I am worthy of love and attention from my specific person. Every day, my specific person texts or calls me with love and affection. I am a magnet for my specific person's messages or calls. Our communication is easy, natural, and frequent. I am always on their mind, prompting them to reach out to me. I am confident in our connection, and it keeps growing stronger. My specific person can't help but think of me and initiate contact. I radiate positivity and love, making my specific person want to talk to me. I am the center of their attention, and they can't resist contacting me. Our conversations are filled with joy, laughter, and love. I am a priority in my specific person's life, and they express it through calls and text messages. I am open to receiving their affection and their attention. My specific person is eager to share their thoughts and feelings with me. I am constantly in their thoughts, leading them to reach out to me with a text message, an email, or a phone call. I trust that our communication is getting better and better. My specific person is always happy to hear from me. I am the source of happiness and comfort for my specific person. I am open to receiving love and affection from my specific person. Our connection is deepening and our communication is thriving. I am grateful for the texts and the calls that I receive from my specific person. I am confident in our future together, filled with love and communication. My specific person's love and attention are always available to me. I believe in the power of our connection to bring us closer through calls and text messages. Now, high flyers, it's important that you listen to this every day for 28 days for maximum benefit. And if you like deep meditations that change the power of your subconscious mind, claim your 7 days absolutely free at miraclehypnosisonline.com. And now coming up, another video that will help you on your journey.